been sitting here for 10 minutes, don't really know what to do, but just got sent a little Easter egg hunt. It's like 20 steps long. This is how we get in the room, so now we're gonna do a little Easter egg hunt. Alright, I had to figure it out from this little photo, but apparently this is the key to our room. Was that unlocked the whole time? Did I even do anything? Nice, getting somewhere. Is that supposed to have a key on it? Or is that the key? We got a weird piece of paper out of the lock. It's hidden by the post-it note. Man, this whole thing is like a escape room. Okay, we made it to the lift. This is step 10 now of 18, so we're doing really well. We have this piece of paper. Okay, we made it to the top now. Now we're gonna unlock the key to the door. And now one last step, I have to figure out how to use the door. I've been known to not be very good at this. Easy. This is Vienna. Oh yeah.
I have my voice back. Thank God. There's tulips everywhere in Europe, and they're so gorgeous. We're about to go to a museum. We don't even think it's in English, but it's really cold outside, so anything to be warm.
Scary shot.
Yeah, that's really sad. How would a whale even get to the end? So cold. We're having so much fun.
We love fun.
We love fun. We just tried to cook on the stove, and we just stripped the whole entire apartment. So where did you see the thing? Apparently Lyndon saw the flick thing. Is it in here?
Yeah.
But wait, why are we looking in there though? No, maybe that's not it, sorry.
Come on. I try my best.
Oh yeah, well this is probably in here, I would say. Ew, that's so stupid. Electricity and gas are my biggest fears. Okay. Let's ask ChatGPT. Don't touch anything, Lyndon. Oh, fully down. Okay, wait, then back up. Okay, are we on? Ah! Bang! Alright, we're not using the stove. We're getting takeout.
What the fuck? It's a bit early, but I think it's the midday strike and it's loud as
Budapest!
Wow.
Separate beds, yes! This is my dream come true. Wow! Oh, this is so good. What is with all the showers being left like that? Welcome to Budapest.
Happy to be here.
We just arrived. We have so much room. It's so nice. We are about to go get something to eat, and then we're hitting the town tonight, even though I'm really sick. So I probably shouldn't be, but you're only in Budapest once. Ain't that right?
No, I've been here twice.
You're only in Budapest sometimes once or twice.
Last time I was here, it was the best night out ever, so.
Anyway, we'll see you at the clubs. It is 7:30.
We do not look like we're about to party.
And Lyndon came up with the great idea to go on a pub crawl with like a group of people.
Just because I'm too lazy to find places to go on my own.
Anyway, we're going to take you along for the adventure.
We're just having prees and my little coffee mug and my little snuggly.
Reason we're currently snuggled up in bed. It starts at 9:30 and goes till 2:30 a.m. I don't think I'm going to make it till then.
We got to go to them because we got to check out the club.
Oh.
I'm a little sleepy. Is this a good idea?
Woo. All right, we're pub crawling it up. We got ready.
I'm gonna be freezing. I'm going no jacket.
No jacket is crazy in my opinion. You will not see me in the streets in no jacket. Too cold.
I'll be thankful for it once we're in the warm, cozy bar.
We shall see y'all in the club.
Time to party.
I'm not gonna take my camera because scary.
Scary as if we don't have passport, credit card. All right.
I don't know what happened last night.
We survived, made it home.
I don't know how.
It is 11:30.
And
We've just woken up. Well, I've just woken up. You've been awake.
yeah, I've been awake for a while.
Just eating on bread rolls and stuff.
Eating so many bread rolls, and nobody told me that you probably shouldn't eat a lot of bread rolls when you're hungover. Because let me tell you, it does not feel good.
I would definitely recommend just doing a pub crawl if you're in a foreign city and you want to have a night out.
Lyndon has been telling me for a really long time, like, the alcohol in Europe is something different. And I'm like, okay, buddy.
I try to warn her.
I had 5 drinks, like, the whole night, like, from pre's to 2:30 in the morning. And I was obliterated. 5 drinks.
Show them the clip.
I have never been more drunk in my life.
We made it through the pub crawl.
We managed to Budapest.
Hopefully you guys have a couple trips. Sorry. Okay, wait, reset. Okay. Right, we made it through the pub crawl. It's home time now. Hopefully you guys have a couple clips.
Lyndon just lost his ring in the middle of a car, and I had to reach on the floor and get it.
Are you putting this in?
No. You want your mum to see this?
Yeah.
No, you do not.
Bye, fans.
Goodbye, Mum. Oh my god. That was so fun, and I would definitely do it again.
I made the winning shot in beer pong.
Yeah.
But today we have a perfect recovery. We're going to the thermal pools, spas, church tour, river cruise. It's a beautiful hangover recovery recipe.
It is. The river cruise comes with a drink, and I can tell you right now that will not be getting drank by me.
A drink is really good for hangover.
Hair of the dog, they call it.
Hair of the dog? What are you saying?
You've never heard that before?
What?
Hair of the dog.
This is the perfect hangover cure. We've already been here for like over an hour, just relax and feels good. How you doing, Izzy?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling fun and fresh. This is 35 degrees, and outside I think it's like 10 degrees, so it feels so warm.
That was fun. That was super fun.
That was super fun.
We also got to go in a thermal area with extra warm pools that we couldn't film in, but super nice in there. And there was a steam room, and I went to step in, and then I felt like I couldn't breathe.
We are on our way to a church tour that Lyndon has also booked for us.
Straight from
the baths. We're super excited. It's only an hour. We were this close to cancelling it, but we're pushing through. And then we have a beautiful cruise where we can sit down and relax. And then
the river cruise should be really nice. And then tomorrow we'll show you the whole city. We're doing 30,000 steps.
We're not doing 30,000 steps.
That was incredible. The amount of detail in there is just extraordinary. The mass was on while we were in there, so had to be really quiet and respectful, of course. 2 out of 3 done. River cruise is the next on the agenda. Fancy. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Oh, have a sip.
I'm scared for you to have some because I know you're not gonna like this. You're gonna hate that. Oh, even I don't like that.
started yet.
Buddy.
Ooh, we getting lit.
Hair the dog. Everything here, of course, is super expensive, so we've just been drinking our free champagne very slowly.
I got some gummy worms as well.
Yeah, we do. We snuck in gummy worms.
You gotta do what you gotta do, man. Last night we spent a little bit.
Yeah, last night we did spend some money. I'm excited to see what we end up spending. We've been spending no money. We've been getting too good to goes. Everything is discounted that we buy.
Going to free museums.
Yeah.
Just walking around a lot.
Yeah, we've been doing so much walking and just sightseeing. The only thing that costs money is when we need to buy proper dinner. It is the last day of Budapest today. We just had breakfast and it was so nice. I got the English breakfast and it was beautiful.
You ate half of it and then got full.
It was still really and the cafe was really cute as well. They had sticky notes all over the wall. It was really nice. Now we've just gone for a walk to this really nice park. Lyndon's convinced we're doing 30k steps today.
They already know the deal.
We're not doing 30k steps today, but we will try our hardest to get to 20, I think.
There's a big castle here. It was quite nice by the water.
Really nice castle.
And we're pretty aimless today, which is quite nice. We've been super structured most of our days, going to here, but right now we're just wandering around and it feels good. You feel free talking to the camera with no one around?
Yeah, but I actually was thinking just before, I need to just get over it.
It's a scary thing, but...
You just not need to care because guess what? Nobody here knows if we have 4 subscribers or 40 million subscribers. Who cares? Life is too short to care what people think.
On the way here, we saw these weird statues.
We're just on a lovely stroll to the park. And what is this? This is a graveyard of naked statues. To be honest, I'm scared. Look, that one's holding a phone.
Yeah? That's not something you see very often. A statue with a phone? I've never seen that before.
I want that little man. I want him. Yeah, that one.
Imagine at night time.
Yeah, imagine at night time and you see the one go.
And there was 30, 40 of them, so many.
Yeah, so many.
And then 2 steps later, there was a dog wearing a dress.
Yeah, it was so cute. And then on the side of this building, there was just this interesting artwork. Yeah, we'll call it interesting artwork. The things that you see when you just aimlessly wander. It's all about the journey, not the destination. And today we have no destination, so it's all just journey. Did you like that?
Bars. Everywhere we walk, we have to find a park on the way. Keeps Louise happy. She doesn't like big walks, so as long as there's a little green in the middle, though, she'll be okay.
Gotta keep entertained somehow.
Always plan our routes around a little green in the middle. I don't know what flavor this is, but it looks good. I have no idea, but it's good. Mrs. Trend Hopper over here.
I got Dubai chocolate.
Wow.
I was heavily influenced, but it's really good.
Trend Hopper. Mm-hmm. We're on an island right now in the middle of the river, but you wouldn't know, it's so big. Just park everywhere and this crazy trippy looking tree.
Super cool.
No. 15,000. We're halfway there. It's 3 p.m. so we might need to hurry it up a little bit, but we're going strong. How you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling good.
I'm feeling good.
Hello.
Alright, update. 20. It's too easy, man. It's 4 o'clock. We only got 10k steps to go. And we're having a little swing. Because we have lots of spare time because it's too easy.
My feet are not even sore yet, and this is one of the biggest walking days
of your life.
No, not in my life.
It is.
Not in my life.
30k would definitely be probably your biggest day of your whole life.
It is, yeah, my biggest day ever. But it doesn't feel like it because guess what? You're only young and fit once.
Exactly. We gotta enjoy our youth.
All right, now I'm gonna swing on the swing like a little kid.
What's the stairs?
Look at how many there are there.
Oh, more to go.
Oh my god. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Finally made it to the one place that we were actually planning on coming today. 25,000 steps later, so that's good. I know we keep saying everything's beautiful and amazing, but this one is actually mind-blowing. Check it out. Come through, come through. Just insane. The Parliament building over here is the craziest building. Truly. Look at this board.
So nice.
28,000 steps in. We're about 10 minutes from home, which unfortunately isn't enough to get to 30, so we're gonna have to take another detour. But we stopped for some KFC. We got heaps. We haven't eaten since breakfast, and we've done a lot of walking since then. But we did it, and I'm so proud of this girl over here. I thought she wouldn't do it, but she has done an amazing job. 300 steps to go. If this doesn't tick over by the time we get home, I'm doing laps of the apartment. So we'll see.
We've made it home.
At last. What did we leave home? About 10 this morning?
Yeah, just past 10. It's now 7 p.m. I reckon all up today we maybe had like 45 minutes of rest.
Yeah, like an hour.
Yeah. Right. I did it. 30,397 steps.
But did I? Yes, just.
You did it?
Oh, no. We had drinks the first night here, and then pretty lazy day the second, so it had to be done. The city's beautiful, and we had to explore.
Anyway, that concludes our Vienna and Budapest vlog. Thank you for watching episode 4 of Europe. We shall see you in our next location.
A long, long way away.
Yeah, a really, really long way away.
Bye, guys.
Bye. We're in the middle of nowhere. This is like the most rural train station we've been to the whole trip, and it is beautiful. Have a look.